And this is part 3. This one will be really short. This is the other sheet I included. I did not include all the problems. So if you are dying to know what the title of this picture is, you're probably going to want to copy these letters down because they are not answers in the problems that I'm going to ask you to do. Okay, and I'll put these up right at the end. Okay, so this is not going to take me very long. Okay, basically these are all set up. Principal, rate, and time. So all you are going to be doing is using that simple equation formula, and you'll have to convert your rates. You'll have to convert your rates to decimals, your percents to decimals, by doing the percent 6 divided by 100, which equals 0.06. So basically all you're doing is changing the number to a decimal place. So your down here is where I'd like you to put the equation, and it's going to be 800 times 0.06 times 2, and you're going to type that together and you will get the answer. So if you'll type that into your calculator, you should get the answer 96. So then you're going to go back up to the puzzle. You're going to look for the number 96. Hopefully it is there, and there it is right there. And right up here, you're going to be writing the letter, which I already forgot, which is N. Okay, well, there's my 96. I'm going to put an N right there. And I know that none of my other answers, I shouldn't get 96 again. I'm just looking to see if the 96 is repeated at all, and I do not see that it is repeated. And that's basically real quick practice for percent and just finding the title of this picture. And you may, if you can write on this, or you might look for the Google form, because I'm probably gonna put a Google form up for this. All right, so have a good time. That's it. That's simple interest. It's simple. Might not be that interesting, but it's simple and in its equation. And I will be posting another video on Tuesday for compound interest. So I'm not going to post it because I want you to do simple interest first. All right? And I will see you later. I won't see you later, but I hope I see you later. Anyway, we're talking about all kinds of things that maybe we could do. Anyway, have a great afternoon with this, and I'll see you on the next video or at the next Zoom session. All right, bye.